Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Naomi and in today's video we're going to be repotting some little seedlings that have been growing really well in my garden, and we're also going to go hunting for some wild primroses. So if you watched my video about 2 weeks ago, you'll have seen me planting these little seeds that have been in the kitchen for ages, and I'm going to show you how they look today. I also planted some watercress, which are looking really good, and if you saw my radish and leeks video, the radishes are looking really cute. Look at them, they're so cute. But today we're going to plant the little seedlings into larger pots. So here are the seeds inside the propagator. They're doing really good. They've had some nice toasty warm environment to grow up in. So the seedlings are looking great. My dad's tomatoes are looking great. The parsley in the orange pot has started to really grow, but today we're going to focus on the 5 little seed pots and put them into some larger pots. So overall the seedlings are doing really well, especially the lamb's lettuce. The dill I forgot to water and that's why it looks really weak, so pray for the dill. But other than that, all the other seeds are doing really well and they're getting nice and big. So let's show you how to repot your seedlings, because you can just keep them in the same little cardboard container and it should biodegrade and the roots should be able to come through. So the last time I went on a walk up on my country roads near my house, I noticed there was loads of beautiful little yellow flowers which turned out to be little wild primroses. So I thought I'd take out my bucket and go and pick some and put them in my garden back home. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. I'm going to be posting videos every single Sunday. There'll be more little gardening videos coming up, and I plan on doing a few more DIY projects. One of them I'm working on for next week is making your own paper from recycled paper from scratch. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye!